Do you want top dollar for your home or even over asking price? How about 30 or 40,000 more than what your home is currently worth? Prepare yourself for what I'm about to show you. We can take your home from this to this, and to get you $100,000 more than what your house is currently valued at when you go to sell it. I'm the founder of Landmark Realty. My name is David Kirchnavy, and I'm your real estate expert. And I offer a package deal that will help you fix up your home and finance those fixes. By making just small improvements like flooring, painting, it could secure you thousands more on your selling price. Don't have the money to fix up your property? That's not an issue either. Even if you have bad credit, no income, limited income, we can offer you great prices on repairs and a discounted commission when we help you put your home on the market. We have different programs that can help you. I just don't want you to leave money on the table. So if you want to earn top dollar and you want to work with a trusted team, please contact me today.